Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Payal, today will be showing you a sabzi recipe that is easy and quick to make and is made in every household, and it's called Gobi Vatana Subzi. So let's start by making this sabzi. So we've taken a kadai or a deep non-stick pan. We'll add some oil. To this we'll add some cumin seeds and asafoetida. And we'll saute this on a medium flame for a few seconds. Yes, so the seeds have crackled, as you can see. To this add some turmeric powder, cauliflower florets, green peas and salt. We'll mix this well. So it has been mixed well. Now we're going to cover this with a lid and cook it on a medium flame for 5 minutes while stirring it occasionally. Let's stir it. So it's been 4 minutes. Let's check. Yes, it's almost cooked. We'll wait for 1 more minute. So now it's been 5 minutes. Let's check. Yes, it looks nice and cooked. Some chilli powder, coriander-cumin seeds powder and coriander. We're going to mix this well and we're going to cook it on a medium flame for 2 minutes. Make sure you stir it occasionally. So this Gobi Vatana Subzi is ready. Now let's quickly serve it.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.